Hi, I'm Wanda and my husband Wade is with me, and we are getting ready to load the hogs to go to the butcher. So we got them in the late spring. They're a fast growing breed and we're really hoping this goes smoothly.
Well, when this gets about right there.
In the back end, okay. Stop! Well, stop!
Stop what?
You said you wanted to back into the house. That's what you told me to tell you. Yeah, they got pretty damn big. So put this now. Oh, wait until you put the thing down, huh? We'll just try and chase them first. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, that ain't gonna work.
Go. Go. Go.
Come on. Get out of the mud.
Go.
Go.
Go. We're going to need the gate to walk it up.
Do what?
We're going to need that gate.
What gate?
This. And we're going to need to come down there and walk it up this way.
I don't understand what you mean with it. Oh, I see. But if we do that, they're going to get out in between.
Hold it in there. Hey, walk over there. All right, that's good for right now. That's good for right now. Okay, now listen. Walk down there. Get on the other side of them. Keep them in the middle. we'll just start walking up. You understand what I'm saying? You're gonna have to go in an angle. Hang on. No, you stay back that way. Keep it up against the fence. No, go.
Well, you told me to stay back. You want me to go forward?
Dear, I'm trying to close them in to force them that way. I can't do it if you're stuck there.
What do you want it?
Give me that. No. Force it. Lift it up.
That wire so they don't get tangled up in it. Got it?
Okay, lift it up.
Oh, where do you want me? You want me to go up there? What do I be doing?
Now you go round the pigs up. Now come here, I'll do it. Stay here, walk along the edge of this, right? Get up here where you're going to walk along the edge as I walk up that way with them.
Close it.
No, leave it open, dear. Okay, girls, let's go. Come on. Tippy, go. Go. Get to the house. Go.
Let's see if we can get her in there. Come on, get in there.
Don't move it. Stay down because that's what they're afraid of.
What?
That wire's got to stay down, the hot wire, that's what they're afraid of. Yeah, they don't know what this is. They're afraid to go over there because they know that's where the wire was.
Well, and they might be a little afraid of that grate too.
They wouldn't cross here. because that's where the wire was. They know to stay away from that.
Okay, the pigs haven't been very cooperative at all, so we're going to try and build like a funnel to force them up into the trailer. So, back in a few. Oh my, so 3 hours later we finally got them loaded. So, here is what we did. We got them in this quarter of the pen and closed it off. And then Wade walked it, the metal one, here up behind him. And then we had, of course, the gate down and sheet of plywood over it. So we ended up having to put a pallet underneath so it wasn't so steep. And one of them still had a little bit of trouble getting up it, but they are finally ready to go to market. Several hours late. I did call and they said go ahead and bring them in still, so that's what we're getting ready to do. Okay, we are finally on the road headed to the food processor, the butcher, and it will be about an hour drive for us, so we'll catch up when we get there. How'd you fare with the ride, huh? Well, I don't see no vomit.
Move. Probably get a lot of them like that. Yeah.
Okay, girls, time to come out.
Don't peek.
Shh. Here, picky, picky, picky. Here, picky, picky, picky.
I didn't bring them.
Don't peek. Don't peek. Come on.
Oh, we forgot to put the board down. Shh.
Get that oven out. Maybe it'll fire.
Go.
Shh. Come on, sausage.
Sausage and bacon?
Yep. Of course, I call the picked one Piggy.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have to open the gate. Give me a minute. Don't peek.
Uh-oh.
Don't peek.
Is that where they're getting weighed?
Yeah, yeah.
So our final weights on the hogs, this is on the hoof when we dropped them off. So the red spotted one that they're calling here, that's the one we called sausage, which we thought was more brown on black, brown with black spots. And she weighed in at 212 pounds. And the other one that Wade called Bacon and I called Miss Piggy, because she was light pink, she weighed in at 223 pounds. Now she was a little bit longer. She used to be a good bit taller than Sausage, but over time Sausage caught up with her weight-wise, but she still wasn't as long as Bacon. So again, so we're going to end up with, well, that was 435 pounds between the two hogs. So we'll see how much weight we end up with.